Welcome and hello, beautiful friends. We're so excited today as we celebrate our 1-year anniversary on YouTube. It has been quite an exciting journey. This channel was inspired by Lynette's beautiful home. It was built in 1842 and is located in Circleville, Ohio, a zone 6A, 6B. Lynette is a gardening enthusiast and is passionate about all things home and garden. Her husband likes to say, if you come to our house, she might paint you. In addition to gardening, she also enjoys dabbling in interior design. She lives to decorate the world for every holiday and special occasion. Her mission is to make people feel special and inspired. Lynette got her inspiration from watching lots of YouTube gardening videos. She was very fortunate to be featured on one of her favorite channels, Dig, Plant, Water, and Repeat with Janie. In this video today, you will see highlights from Janie's interview with Lynette. You will see photos from then and now. This is how Garden 1842 and Home began. This channel has become our passion. Lynette and myself, Nikki, thank you for supporting our channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment on our channel. We would love for you to join our YouTube family. Now let's go find our passion and be inspired today. Be sure to stay with us till the end. We've got some really fun photos you will not want to miss.
Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back. I have the most amazing tour for you. Let me introduce you to Lynette. Lynette lives in Circleville, Ohio, and look at this beautiful house behind me. Are you the main gardener here?
I'm the main gardener.
So you're the one that's out here doing all this stuff
by hand.
Oh my gosh.
Watering everything by hand.
It's absolutely beautiful. So you can see the brick of this house. This is original brick. Let me turn the camera around and show off the carriage house. Look at this. Look at this. So you have these beds here.
Yeah.
What do you have growing in these beds?
I direct seeded zinnias, of course. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at
Yes,
Bumblebee.
all over.
Oh my goodness. Good job, Bumblebee. Good timing.
And then this is baby's breath.
Beautiful.
And I've made a couple bouquets for when I just needed one. The limelight hydrangea here.
Oh, look at how good this looks. So this is kind of your mixed border area,
Yeah.
right? Because the inside is absolutely stunning. So I wanted to show off what you've done here because I love it. So,
But this little, it's a tree skirt. The iron, it's supposed to go around a tree, like a tree bench. And I call my husband my Chip Gaines because he always brings me home really cool things.
He's the antiquer, right? He goes to antiques.
And he'll surprise me. He gets up every Friday and I'm like, what'd you get me?
I mean, see what, like every view, every time I'm looking through my camera, I'm just like, this is so pretty. Aww. This could be the thumbnail. This is so pretty. This could be the thumbnail. It's just so gorgeous. Can I show off your little tea table?
Show my tea table.
Look at how cute. So I do have to say, Robbie was supposed to come with me,
yes.
but he got busy.
So he had the plate.
He had the plate setting. Is that not so sweet? Oh my goodness. And literally every square inch of Lynette's house is stunning. Goodness. This is
the crepe myrtle. Yep. That is a phantom
Oh, yeah?
hydrangea. Over there is the pink diamond, but it's yet to get pink for me, so I don't know.
Yeah, well, it'll probably come.
I'm okay with it white.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And then this magnolia was
This
here.
is a magnolia, yeah. You got that bench for like $60.
I know. Are you just having so much fun?
I just love it.
Just
like
it's
Steve
just
will have to. Steve sometimes comes out and he's like, "Are you coming in tonight?"
No,
10,
I'm not.
10 p.m. and I'm still out here.
No, I'm busy. Thank you very much. Okay, let me step back and show these two pots here because they are so beautiful. These are bubble gum, right?
Yes, bubble gum. And
Okay, so we're inside the front gate now. Now, what is this plaque right here?
okay, so this is our plaque for our home, and my husband and I are the 5th owner since 1842.
Oh my gosh, so almost 200 years.
So
180 years.
I know.
You lean heavily on those.
Well,
and
they do so good.
they do really
So
well.
a lot of people don't love them. I like them because by time September comes, they'll be huge and they'll
Yes.
last up until like the pumpkin show that we have here
So
in
tell me about
October.
the pumpkin show.
Yeah, so Circleville's known for the pumpkin show.
Okay.
So it's so crowded. People are walking, like it literally starts like right down there at that light.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And so people come from all over the country
Yeah,
to this
and
pumpkin show.
people will grow pumpkins, and there's a contest for like the biggest pumpkin. I think the last one was like 1,000 pounds.
Oh my gosh. And look at this window.
That's 2 bubble gums right there.
Is it really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. And of course the fern. Everybody here in Ohio has to have the fern.
Yeah, that's the Kimberly Queen
Oh, I
fern.
love it. Look at that. Look at this. Okay.
Yeah.
Can we take a peek inside?
Yes, we can take a peek inside. Come on in.
Oh, I'm so excited. I never get to do house tours. Okay, so
42. And I'm not changing the windows. Everybody says, you gotta get new windows. It's too
No.
cold. I'm like, no way.
No. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. You guys.
And that's where I put my Christmas tree.
Oh my goodness. And how tall is your Christmas tree?
I think it's a 9-foot tree, but I usually put it up on like a box.
Oh,
or,
yeah.
But
Yeah.
see, the box right there.
Give me a house tour.
Yeah.
Can we look in here?
Yeah, this is our living room. This is the main,
Oh my God. First of all, look who's on the table. I mean, on the TV.
She's been on repeat today.
She was buttering. Lynette was buttering me.
Yeah.
So this is a room that is painted black.
Yeah.
Which is incredible. And it works perfectly well.
There are 12-foot ceilings.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And do you guys host a lot of parties here? Because this looks like a party house.
I don't host a lot, but I'm getting ready to have a tea party, a garden tea party, where I'm going to have all my girlfriends bring a 6-pack of flowers and a plant and a pot, and I'll supply other things. Yeah, you can come. Yes, will you?
Yeah. I would love to.
Yeah, and then I have a big Christmas party that I go a little crazy about.
I can imagine. This is
Yeah.
absolutely. Lynette, thank you so much. Not only for showing us your incredible garden, but your incredible home as well.
You're welcome.
You should be so incredibly proud.
We love it. It's a passion project for 100%. We just love it so much.
Oh, you're awesome. Well, thank you so much for letting me be here. I hope you all enjoyed this.
Thank you, Janie from Dig Plant Water Repeat, for featuring Lynette's house on your channel and inspiring us to start our own YouTube channel. We have had so much fun on this journey so far. Please enjoy some fun photos from our journey this far over the past year. As you can see, we love to go shop, we love to find flowers, we love to dress up for various holidays or whatever the reason might be. We enjoy it all. So please be sure to come back to our channel. We have lots more videos to come. And thank you all so much for watching. And please go out and find your passion today. Thank you.